Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. Hints and tips for you if you're doing some wiring, whether you're doing a camper van build, you're doing something at home. If you're using PVC cable braid to make your wiring look clean, you may be working on your van or your car for stereos and you're using this to keep the cables clean and tidy, you'll notice that it will always fray on one end when using it. And if you want to stop it fraying, here's a good tip for you. Whatever size of braid you're using, it will expand somewhat, double its size. If you push that onto a screwdriver or something that you can push it onto and have the same size opening that you wish to put your cable in, use the screwdriver or whatever size you're using to push into it as a mandrel. Push it on, hold it where it's frayed, then with some insulation tape, good quality insulation tape, wrap it round, and then when you pull it off the screwdriver, you can then cut that frayed edge off and still maintain a clean factory cut. So I'll just pause it now and I will show you. There you go, I've removed it from the screwdriver and now I've got a clean piece that isn't going to fray anymore. You can also do this with heat shrink, but I'd recommend using resin infused heat shrink, and then it'll glue itself to it, and then you'll have a piece of sheathing or braid that won't continue to fray when you're using it. A good tip there for vehicle electrics. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.